Dual Blend number 17 Incrediloso Lavender Multi-Purpose Cleaner Deodorizer. This highly concentrated formula, diluted exclusively through the NCL Dual Blend Chemical Management System, produces 163 gallons of solution per concentrated case. The same Incrediloso Lavender performance you know and trust, with the benefit of precise and convenient dilution control. The neutral, free rinsing formula makes this an ideal cleaner for floors and any other water washable surface. Effectively remove dirt and soils while leaving surfaces clean and deodorized with an exceptional, long-lasting lavender fragrance.